Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Children, here I will show some pictures to you. You have to observe the pictures and when I ask questions, you have to answer me. Okay? Observe the pictures given here. Laina, what you can see in these pictures?
First picture, I can see boxes and boxes.
Do you think they are useful for us?
What?
Do you think they
What,
are
ma'am?
useful for us? Are the boxes useful for us? Ujjwala, tell me. The boxes in the first picture are useful for us or not? Unmute yourself. Now tell the answer. No, very good. Aniket, what you can see in the next picture, ma? Aniket, what you can see in the next picture?
There are plastic, ma'am.
Plastic.
There are plastic.
Is that useful for us?
Yes, ma'am.
If you observe the picture and say, they are dumped in one place. All the plastic items are dumped in one place. So these are not useful for us. Okay. So let us go for the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Here observe the pictures and what they are doing, tell me. We will give chance to some other kid. Who is there? Shivakarthik? Shivakarthik. Samhita? What you will observe here? In these pictures, what you can observe here?
Yes. Second one, ma'am. A man is selling old newspapers.
Old newspapers. Very good. And the next picture?
Waste material.
Waste. He collected some waste material. Okay. Here in the fourth picture.
Oh.
So you can see some waste materials there. Okay. Materials which are not useful for us. Okay. Now, so these materials are called junk materials. These materials are called junk materials. Let us see what is junk.
Okay, ma'am.
Read that, ma. Read the definition. Samhita, read the definition.
Things that are considered to be old or discarded articles or of no use or no value or of low quality.
Means the things which we are not using. That means old things. Some things we will throw it outside. So some people will come and collect those things and they will sell it for sell it in seconds. So those things are called junk material. So the person who are selling or buying these junk materials are said to be junk seller.
Okay, ma'am.
So a person who buys and sells discarded things or second-hand objects is called junk seller. So today we are going to start a new chapter which is nothing but junk seller.
Seller.
Here, observe the pictures here. You can see one woman, she is selling junk. She is having a junk shop. So in Hindi we can say that a woman who is selling junk is called kabari wali.
Okay,
Kabari
ma'am.
wali. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So her name is Kiran. She is living in Patna. She wants to say
Okay.
a story to us. Okay, let us see the story.
Okay, ma'am.
Here is a story of a woman who is selling junk. Have you ever met a kabari wali? What I said, ma kabari wali means
Okay, ma'am.
a woman who sells junk is called kabari wali.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is a true story told by Kiran who has a junk shop in Patna. Kiran is saying like this. I studied in a Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. I love Hindi and science, but I hated maths. Today, math is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. So, Kiran did not like maths, but she found that maths is very useful. Okay, so here some questions are given for us. Let us answer. What about you? Do you also find maths difficult? Sriza, answer me, ma. Do you also find maths difficult?
No, ma'am.
Why? What is the reason? Okay, next question. What is the most difficult thing in your math book? Jasmine, what is the most difficult thing in your math book? Jasmine, can you hear me? Unmute yourself, ma. Unmute. Unmute and say answer. Abhi? Abhi? What is the most difficult thing in your math book? Abhi Pranay? Pranavi, can you say, ma? Unmute yourself there. Click the button. Unmute yourself.
Okay.
Pranavi, what is the most
teacher.
difficult thing in your math book? Did you feel any difficulty in your math textbook?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I know maths very well. That's
Very
why.
good. That means you are practicing maths very well. Very good. Hasini, what do you think is the easiest lesson? Hasini, unmute yourself, ma. Okay then. So we have completed five chapters. So in those five chapters, which chapter you will feel easy, Hasini? Say louder. Your voice is not audible. Okay then. So I think the way the worlds look is the easiest lesson for you. Okay, now again Kiran is saying that when I was young, my father died in an accident. So my mother worked as a servant in some houses. We had a difficult time. I had to leave school after 8th class. I wanted to study more, but my mother got me married. And she is saying, in my husband's family, they lived in a mud house. His two brothers and his sister did not go to school. He had a tea stall. Children in tea stall, what they will do? They will sell tea. That means per one day, how many teas they will sell and how much money they will earn. If you want to find out these things, we need to do calculations. For that calculations, we are going to do multiplication. Multiplication is very useful to do the calculations. Now, let us see what is multiplication. In class 3, we learned multiplication using some methods. Did you remember, children? So, again, we will do those multiplications. Just recall what is multiplication. What is multiplication, ma? Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. The symbol for multiplication is into. What is the symbol for multiplication, ma? The symbol for multiplication is into. Suppose we are adding 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. That means what? 3 times 4. How we will write that? 3 into 4. Then what is the final answer we will get? There 12 we will get. So here 16 into 4 we will get 64. 16 is said to be multiplicand and 4 is said to be multiplier. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand and the number by which we multiply is said to be multiplier. The answer which we will get is called product. The answer which we will get is called product. Children, now we will do multiplication with tens, hundreds and thousands. Children, to multiply a number by 10, we need to insert 0 right of that given number. Suppose we have 19 into 10. Here no need to do the multiplication. What we have to do? We have to just insert the number, right? Insert the 0 right of that number. So 90, 190 we will get. 19 into 10, 190 we will get. Suppose I have 4 into 10. So after this number, we need to put 0. So 4, 0, 40. This is 40. So now to multiply a number with 100, what we will get? Let us see. 15 into 100 I have. So to multiply a number by 100, insert 2 zeros to the right of the given number. So what is the given number here? What is the given number here? 15. So 15 after right of that 15, we have to keep these 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. Isn't easy, children? Yes. Next. 21
Yes, ma'am.
into 100. 21 into 100. So, what is the given number? 21 is the given number. We need to keep the 2 zeros right of that number. So, 21, 0, 0. This is 2100. Okay, good. Next, we will see multiplication with 1000. 4 into 1000. Here, what is the given number here? 4. So, 4 after, we need to put these 3 zeros. Right of the 4, we need to keep 3 zeros. So, 4000. It will become 4000. Now, here we have 56 into 1000. How to multiply, ma? 56. After how many zeros we have to keep? 3 zeros. 0, 0, 0. So, this is 56,000 we have. Okay, children. Next, we will multiply 2-digit number with 1 digit and 2 digits. 4 nines are
36.
very good, Shivgati. 36.
6.
Okay. Now, I want the answer for 9 fours are. 9 fours are
9 4
Shivgati.
36.
Very good.
36, ma'am.
4 nines are 36. Like that, 9 fours are 36. If we replace the digit,
That is
we will get the same answer. Okay. So, here I will ask you a question. If 15 into 2 is 30, then
15. 13.
2 into 15 will be how much?
30, ma'am.
Very good. Who said that? Shivkartik?
30.
Very good. Very good, Shivkartik. Write down, ma. If 15 into 2 is
Yes, ma'am.
30, then 2 into 15 is also equal to
30.
Now, already we completed multiplication. Here you have to do 49 into 3. Shall we do the multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 49 into 3. First we need to multiply ones place. 3 nines are how much?
3 9.
3 nines are how much, ma?
9, ma'am. 27.
3 nines
27,
are
ma'am. 27.
20.
27, ma'am. 27.
Very good. So in one step we
27.
have to write 7. 2 is carry forward. Now 3 fours are
12. 12,
12. 12 plus 2?
14.
14. Very good.
Teacher, 14.
9 into 3 equals to how much, ma?
147.
147. Okay. Write down it in your classwork, ma, all of you. Note it down.
Yes, ma'am. Madam, I cannot see it down.
You cannot see the down part. Okay, I will write it here. 49 into 3 equals to 147.
Yes, I'll note it.
All of you completed, ma? Shall I rub it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, who completed the problem? Do this one. 53 into 9.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Who is that?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can
Okay?
see, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
53 into 9.
471.
So, 9 3s are 27. So, in ones place, we have to write 7. 2 is carry forward. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. So, 53 into 9 equals to 477.
Completed. Yeah, completed.
Completed? Very good. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if 15 into 3 equals to 45, then 13 into 5 equals to
Ma'am,
how
I
much?
can't see the board.
Who is that? Who is unable to see the board?
Ma'am. Now I can see it, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If 15 into 3 equals to 45, then 13 into 5, how much?
13 into 5. 13 on the 13. 13
So, we have to find the value of 13
Ma'am.
into 5.
Madam, 13 into 5, 65.
Very good. 65.
Is equal
So, 15 into 3 equals to 45. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. Here I will ask one question to you. Is 15 into 3 and 13 into 5 both are equal? I am asking you.
No,
Are the both values equal here?
No.
No. So, we have to write 15 into 3 is not equal to 13 into 5. Can anyone say the reason? Can anyone say the reason why both are not equal?
The number are different.
Very good. The answers we have for
Madam,
15
the
into
numbers
3
are
is
different.
45, whereas 13 into 5 is 65. So the
65.
answers are not equal. Is it clear, ma? The product is not
Yes,
equal.
ma'am.
Over?
No, ma'am. Madam, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Ask me.
What's the middle one at the answer of 15
This
into
is
3?
not equal to. Symbol for not equal to. This is what, ma? Equal to. Okay?
Okay.
This symbol is
Okay.
equal to. If you cross it, that it will become not equal to.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
This is the symbol for not equal to. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Thank
Okay
you.
then. Here. So we done multiplication with two digit number with one digit number. If now we will do multiplication with tens. So we know that 4 into 10. Multiplication with tens and hundreds is very easy. Why? Because just we need to keep how many zeros we have beside the number. Here we have, what is the number? 4 is multiplied with 10. That means after 4 here, how many zeros we have? 1 0.
1.
We have to keep 1 0 here.
And
So 4
0.
into 10 equals to?
40.
Like that, 4 into 100.
400.
Very good. 4. Beside 4, we have to keep how many zeros?
2 zeros. 2 zeros.
Now, 121 into 100.
121 into 100.
So, we need to multiply. No need to multiply. Just write the number and keep how many zeros
1
we have?
lakh.
Those zeros beside the number. So, 12,100 it is.
12,100.
Clear, ma? Multiplying with 100 this is. Multiplying with tens, hundreds, thousands. We need to write the number of zeros beside the given number. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, teacher. Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will ask you one more question. 52 into 1000, how much it will be?
52,000.
Very good. It is 52,000. Okay, ma?
Okay, teacher.
Now, I will give some questions to you. You have to answer it and send it to me. Okay, ma?
Okay, teacher. Okay, ma'am.
Children, please note down those questions. One into 625. Satvik. Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer 1 into 625.
1 into 625.
What is the answer, ma?
1 6 1 6
Okay. Here, when we are multiplying with 1, any number, if you multiply with 1, we will get the same number. So then what is the answer here? 625 is the answer. When we multiply 1 with any number, we will get the same number. What is Jasmine? Tell me, ma. Okay. Now, 582 into 0. 582 into 0. When we multiply with 0, we will get 0. Now, 483 into 6 equals to 6 into dash. Jasmine, remove your hand there. Sit properly. (483) into 6 equals to 6 into dash. Which number we will get here? Very good. 483. Now, 564 into 0. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get the 0 as answer. Is it clear, children? Now, we will do some quiz. Now, I will ask some questions to you. You have to give answers to me. Are you ready, children? 4 into 3 equals to 12. Then 3 into 4 equals to Shivakarthik?
Ma'am, 12.
Very good. Next question. Which is more? 12 plus 4 or 8 plus 3? Khadir? Which is more? 12 plus 4 or 8 plus 3? First you have to find the addition and then say.
12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11.
Okay.
And 12
Hence,
plus 4 is equal to 16.
so which one is more?
12 plus 4.
Very good. Next. Find 10,000 into 0. Hasini, can you say the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
10,000 into 0.
0.
Very good. Sriza? Sriza,
Ma'am,
which is more?
ma'am, 15.
Sriza, 15 plus 15, 10 plus 30.
10 plus 30 is equal to 40.
40. So which one? Which is more? Sriza, I cannot hear you.
15 plus 15 is equal to 30.
Okay. 10 plus 30?
Yeah.
10 plus 30 equals to 40. So 40 is more. Next. Find 100 into 5. Ojasvi, can you say the answer? 100 into 5. Are you there, Ojasvi? Pranavi? Hundred into 5.
500.
Very good. Abhi Pranay? Which is more? Tell me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
10 plus 25 or 25 plus 10?
25 plus 10.
Abhi, first add both of them and then say the answer. Observe them clearly.
Both are same.
Very
Both are
good.
equal, ma'am.
Are equal. Very good. Next. Ojashvi,
Ma'am,
can you answer this, ma? 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Then what is 6 plus 5?
11.
Very good, Ojashvi. Next. Find the value of 10 into 10. Shivakarthik, tell the answer, ma. 10 into 10.
20.
Not addition, it is multiplication. 10 into 10. Ujjwala,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer? 10 into 10.
100.
Very good. So, that's all for today's class, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome, teacher. Bye. Bye, ma'am.